the head tilt, chin lift. So pull the chin back. There you go. Head back on the forehead. There you go. And then you give 2 breaths. Now when you're giving breaths on this mannequin, it's kind of hard to see if the chest is rising and falling because the bag in it is only so big. So just be mindful if it rises and if it doesn't. Ready? So 1 breath. Okay, everyone get a rise in the chest?
Uh-huh.
Oh geez, Oscar, you're really did you get a rise in the chest?
No.
Okay, yeah, his lungs is gonna explode. Reese, did you? Yeah, you gotta cover the nose, Kevin.
What?
You gotta cover the nose.
I'm gonna take it out the rest of your life. Sorry.
You gotta.